Welcome children. This video brings to you multiple choice questions of chapter number 6 of your moral science book, Being Just. Anyone who has been wronged, hurt or mistreated deserves dash, sympathy, justice, friendship or none of these. So the correct answer is justice. Anyone who has been wronged, something wrong has been happened with him, or he has been hurt, or somebody has mistreated him, that person surely deserves justice. Number 2, justice means that everybody should be treated dash, individually, equally, weakly or lazily. So everybody must be treated equally. That is the correct meaning of justice. The dash must be punished. The volunteers must be punished, the guilty must be punished, the victims, or none of these must be punished. So the correct answer is guilty. The guilty, whoever has done wrong, must be punished. Justice means being just and fair to the dash, to the needy, to the innocent, to the pets, or to the birds. So the correct answer is innocent. Justice means being just and fair to the innocent people, or birds, or animals, whatever, whoever. Justice also means being just to the victims of crimes, insensitive, partial, sensitive, or none of these. The correct answer, children, is sensitive. Justice also means that you must be sensitive to the victims of crimes, the people who have undergone the crime, who have suffered with a crime of a particular kind. He is the victim. So people should be sympathetic, they should be sensitive towards that victim. Question number 6. Bhopal gas tragedy victims got justice after dash years. After 26 years, a toxic gas had leaked from the dash plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The plastic plant, medicinal plant, Union Carbide plant, or wooden toys plant. Children, I must tell you here that the word plant here means industry or factory and not the green plant that covers the earth. So, a toxic gas had leaked from the Union Carbide plant, the factory in Bhopal, in the middle of Madhya Pradesh. The gas that leaked was dash. Which gas leaked? Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, or methyl isocyanate? The name of the gas was methyl isocyanate. Number 9. Justice looks at the truth as it is without dash it in any way, without increasing, without decreasing, without changing, or none of these. The correct answer is changing. Without changing the truth, justice looks at the truth in such a manner. Number 10, the last one. Justice takes into account what people have got to say about a dash, about a crime, about a property, about a story, or about a hairstyle. So, justice takes into account what people have got to say about a particular crime. So, those who knows anything, something or anything about a particular crime, about the time, about the people involved, whatever statement they have to give, the justice takes into account. That means it considers whatever people have got to say. Whoever has to say something, justice will include the words of those people as a witness. Thank you.